I don't think that many people are going to be excited about Amaretti cookies, but you really should be, because these are an almond lover's treat. If you love everything almond flavored like I do, give this cookie a go. It's really easy to make. These look great and they make the best edible gift around the holiday time. Recipe is on my website, thescranline.com. Hey guys, I'm Nick and today I'm going to show you how to make one of the best cookies ever made. Now this recipe is on my website, thescranline.com, if you want to grab it before we begin. Really easy, so let's get started. We're going to be adding some almond meal, otherwise known as almond flour, through a sieve in a large bowl. Then you're going to add some caster sugar and you're going to sift this. Add a little bit of salt and mix it with a whisk. Add a little bit of baking powder in there as well. This is going to help our cookies rise and be a little bit lighter and spread. Set that aside, and then with the egg whites, we are going to be frothing them up. We're not making a meringue here or looking for stiff peaks. Soft peaks, a nice frothy egg white. Add about 1/3 of your almond mixture into the egg whites and mix it up using a spatula. Now, you want to add a little bit of almond extract. A little bit goes a long way in this recipe, guys. Don't overdo it. Add some more of your dry ingredients and keep mixing. Then once you've mixed that in, add the rest and mix it until a dough forms. You're going to use a small cookie scoop, about 2 tablespoons in volume, to scoop out about 30 to 35 cookies. Now, if you're doing the same size cookie as I am, it's going to bake for about 8 minutes in the oven. If you're doing a larger cookie, you're going to need a little bit longer, about a couple more minutes. Just keep that in mind. Once you've rolled these, coat them in caster sugar and then some powdered sugar. Caster sugar is also known as superfine sugar. I've got more about that ingredient on the website. Coating it in caster sugar first means that when you've coated it in powdered sugar and this bakes, the powdered sugar is not going to meld with the cookie and melt. The caster sugar kind of prevents that from happening. It acts like a barrier. Once you've coated all your cookies, you're going to add an almond on top. I'm using blanched almonds. You can use the ones with the skin on, or you can use a glacé cherry. Kind of looks like a maraschino cherry, but it's usually sold in bags. These are going to go in the oven for 8 minutes. They're a really quick cookie to bake, but once they bake, they're really, really soft. And here's a little tip, I didn't film this, but if you find that they're not perfectly round, as soon as they come out of the oven, get a cookie cutter and just shift around the cookie to get it into a nice round shape. Now, once these have cooled, if you don't end up eating all of them, you can gift them. They make great edible gifts. They're so chewy and soft on the inside, and honestly, it's such a great cookie. The recipe is on my website, scranline.com. Link for that is in the box below. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you all on the next episode of The Scran Line. Bye!